What if I told you that in 2025, you'll be able to capture cinema-quality aerial footage with a drone smaller than your coffee cup, or fly for nearly an hour without landing? Hold that thought, because what I'm about to share will change everything you know about drones. I've spent the last week analyzing every leak, every rumor, and every specification about DJI's upcoming lineup. And let me tell you, this isn't just another upgrade cycle. This is a complete revolution in aerial imaging. In this video, I'll reveal exclusive details about 3 game-changing drones: the ultra-portable DJI Flip, the revolutionary Mini 5 Pro, and the cinematic powerhouse DJI Mavic 4. But here's why. You need to watch until the end. I'll show you exactly how these drones will transform content creation in 2025, and which one could be perfect for your specific needs. You are hiking through Yosemite, and suddenly, the perfect moment presents itself. The sun is setting, the lighting is perfect, but by the time you set up your current drone, the moment's gone. This happened to me last summer in Iceland. I missed capturing the perfect shot of a whale breaching because my drone wasn't ready. DJI clearly had creators like us in mind when designing the Flip. Let's dive into what makes the Flip special. First, it weighs just under 249 grams. Yes, that's lighter than your smartphone. But here's the genius part. Despite its size, it packs a punch that will make bigger drones nervous. The leaked specifications reveal 3 game-changing features. A 3,110 mAh battery delivers 31 minutes of flight time. Advanced AI tracking that predicts subject movement. On the other hand, a 1.13-inch sensor capable of 4K 60 HDR footage. But numbers don't tell the whole story. Let me show you what this means in real-world scenarios. Now, what if you need more than just portability? That's where the Mini 5 Pro enters the picture. And trust me, this isn't just another iteration of the Mini series. The leaked images reveal something extraordinary. DJI has managed to pack a 1-inch sensor into a sub-249-gram drone. Let that sink in for a moment. This means the DJI Mini 5 Pro can capture 6K video at 30 FPS, enhanced low-light performance, professional-grade color science. And now, the crown jewel of DJI's 2025 lineup, the Mavic 4 Pro. The leaks reveal specifications that sound like they're from the future. A massive 4x3-inch CMOS sensor with 100 megapixels captures breathtaking details like never before, transforming every shot into a masterpiece. That rivals professional photography, perfect for showcasing the world in all its glory. 52 minutes of flight time means your creative vision isn't bound by limits. Soar higher, explore further, and capture the impossible, without the anxiety of running out of battery. 40-kilometer transmission range lets you venture into uncharted territories, while maintaining crystal-clear control, redefining what it means to push the boundaries of aerial exploration. And 6K 60 FPS HDR recording capability makes the drone ideal for travel vloggers. Let's put this all together. These 3 drones represent different approaches to aerial imaging. The Flip, ultimate portability with professional capabilities. Mini 5 Pro, perfect balance of features and accessibility. Mavic 4 Pro, uncompromising professional performance. The drone industry is about to witness its biggest revolution yet. Whether you're a beginner looking to capture memories, a content creator seeking the perfect balance, or a professional demanding the absolute best, DJI's 2025 lineup has something extraordinary for you. Which of these drones caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to be the first to know when these drones hit the market, including my hands-on reviews and detailed comparisons, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. The future of aerial imaging is coming, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.